Introduction generally. When we begin to learn English, we had high level of comprehension with written English, both in terms of vocabulary and grammar than with spoken English. Resources objectives. So this to improve student communication through online educational resources. Provide useful tips for designated face-to-face listening activities and online learning environments to provide what is necessary to study. Thoroughly recognizes the importance of designated face-to-face strategies and materials to present efficient material. Listening materials. Tip 1. Listen to conversation. Listening to conversation can promote the correct use of the language. You can listen to them through audios or the radio. Tip 2. Listen to story. Story may be audiobook, CDs, web, and podcast. Tip 3. Read a story, make question. Reading a story and making question will engage in private interpretation. Tip 4. Make a dictation. The pronunciation of different words may simulate listening skills. Giving command. Instructions for listening can be interpreted in the correct way. Listening material. Tip 1. Listening to an audio recording. The teacher can use recording can be made by the teacher in the form of podcast or audio voices. 2 tips. Watching movies. Watching movies and listening their fragments of conversation and plot to develop questions every time. Tip 3. Listen to a broadcast. The broadcast may be from radio, television, the news, or performance be able with radio or podcast. Tip 4. Listening zooms. Listening zooms and filling gaps of information. Tip 5. Listen to presentation. Presentation may be live or recorded by using presentation software or video audio conference. Speaking materials. Tip 1. Dialogue. Participate in short conversation and practice the dialogue at times. Tip 2. Presentation. Get clear example draw presentation with a specific participation theme. Tip 3. Questionnaires orales. Oral questionnaires are a great learning to draw for discussion, growth, and participation. This tool is effective for learning to dialogue and speak. Giving opinions. Tell about some topics of interest and give your opinion about this. Listening tips for face environment. 1. To carry out detailed gains in the learning of expression and basic vocabulary English. 2. The role-playing games. 3. Encourage the learning of English in the children's classroom. 4. The strategies we see to increase participation in the development of activities to expand cognitive capacity. Listening is online. 1. Listen several times to a sentence. 2. Make sure you understand every sentence. 3. You repeat each phrase aloud exactly as you heard it without seeing the next. Listen to a specific recording in short sections divided into parts. Conclusions. The importance of creative didactic material for the completion of tasks and proper learning through these and only tools. Thank you.